Alright, it's them open another one of these packs of the Paradox Rift. This is a Pokemon. Let's see what I get. I don't know what it is. Every single pack, no matter what it is. Got soft hands, I have no clue. Come on. There we go. Damn, damn it. Alright. On edge. Got that one like 4 times already. Dweeble, I think I got that one. Horsey, got that one. Joltik. Steenie, or Steen. I don't have that one. Gliscor. Nope. Absol. Got a reverse hollow Porygon. Nice. Reverse hollow Cloth. And then I got a Morpeko. Yeah. Foil and then a basic Metal Energy. Yeah, not bad. There's a couple. I already have the Horsey, Honedge, and Dweeble. All the other ones new to me. Said to get 2 reverse hollows, a Porygon and the Cloth. And then I got more Pico. Full card. Yep. Paradox Rift.